All right, just installed new front tie rod ends. I'm getting the car aligned tomorrow and new tires put on, so I decided to change the tire rod ends out. It's pretty straightforward. That castle nut there is a 19. You take the cotter pit out, loosen that castle nut, go to your local auto parts store and rent one of these for free. That goes on top like that, around it, and then you crank it down and it pushes the tie rod end out. And then you torque it down, you put it back all together, you spin it out from the inner tie rod end, and then obviously you loosen that lock nut first, you spin it in and tighten it back up, and then you torque. For VR4's all-wheel drive, you torque it down to 36 pounds. Yeah, it only took, I don't know, about a half hour. Here are the old ones. You can see they're pretty worn, they're pretty shot. They're pretty sloppy too. So yeah, hopefully that increases the steering feel, and hopefully tomorrow get new tires on and a fresh alignment.